morning students. In this video you will learn about how we can create the transaction and how we can make it in the favorite menu. So for creating the transaction, first of all I want to tell you, before finalizing the development part, before finalizing the project, before delivering it to the customer, we can make the transaction of a program, we can make the transaction of a project. So how we can make the transaction? Generally we use SC80 transaction code for making the transaction code. As you know, there are number of transaction codes which are already defined in the SAP systems. Like SC38 we can use for the ABAP editor, SC80 we can use for the object navigator, and SC37 we can use for the function builder. So these are the predefined system code, or you can say that the transaction code used for opening the workbench tools. Similarly, the programmer can also create its own transaction code for their programs. So how we can create that transaction or transaction codes of your program, we will discuss in this video. So first of all, go to SC80 for opening the object navigator. So give the command or transaction code SC80 into the command field and then press enter. So it will open the object navigator, and this object navigator contains the number of objects that you have been created. So by opening a particular program, you can create the transaction in the object navigator. So after opening the object navigator, you can select a program from the list for which you want to create the transaction code. So first of all, you can select here the program, then you can define the program for which you want to create the transaction. Suppose I am going to create the program. Suppose I am going to create the new program. So this is our Z sum. When I will press enter, it will ask you to create the object if it is not already there. If it is already there, then you can create the transaction code for this particular programs. So first of all, let us see whether the program has been created or not, and just double click on this program ZSum. It will show you the program code for which we can create the transaction code. So you can see that a program has been already created. So this is the addition program in which the user can enter two numbers and it can print sum of the two numbers is in the variable, and that variable is result. So we can create the transaction code for this program. So how we can create it? Just right click to the program ZSum, then create, and then transaction. So it will ask you to enter the transaction code. So it is user defined transaction code or programmer defined transaction code. So the namespacing will be from Z or capital YY. So I am giving here the program transaction code is ZSum01. Now define the shortest text, that is short text for this one. So this is our sum transaction code. Now you need to select the program and selection screen. Start the object, that means we need to start program and selection screen, report transaction. Now click on the continue button. When you will continue, it will populate a window. In this you need to write the program name. So program name is ZSum. The default selection screen is 1000. Now we need to select the GUI spot for this transaction code, and the GUI spot we are using is SAP GUI for Windows. Just select it and click on the save button. Now your transaction has been saved, and it will ask you to save into a particular package. You need to give the package name here, which is already there. So package, I think we have already created the package, and this is the package ZCSC, or either you can make it as a local object. So in my case I am going to make it as a local object. Just click on the local object. It will save your transaction as a local object. Now the transaction code ZSum01 saved. Now you can compile it for the errors. Just click on the check button to check for the syntax error. So the transaction Z sum 01 is consistent. Now you can execute the transaction code. Click on the test button or press F8. So when you will click on to execute button, it will execute your transaction code, the program. The program is asking for the two numbers. Suppose I am entering here, one number is 45, second is 18, and then press execute. So when you will press it, it will show you the result. Enter two numbers, sum of two numbers is 63. So your transaction code for this JetSum program has been created. Now you can create your transaction code directly similar to the SAP systems transaction code. So suppose I am using /n, then I can give the name here JSum01. So when I will enter it, so it will directly execute your program. So I am writing here the first number and then second number, then I am going to execute it. So now our the transaction code has been created here. Now if you want to put this transaction code into a favorite list, generally favorite list is used where we can use the frequently used transaction code. So we can enter that particular transaction code into a favorite list. How we can do that? Just right click onto this favorite list onto the SAP JSS screen and then click on the insert transaction. So the transaction code just we have recently created is JSum01. So this transaction code will become the part of this favorite list. Now click on the continue or enter button. So you can see that this transaction code become the list in the favorite. So double click on it, it will directly execute your program. So by this way we can create the transaction code or we can put this transaction code into the favorite list.